Why do you need 1 billion Zada coins? Hello, and welcome to another video of Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we would like to remind you that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. All we do in these videos is provide you with all the good information that we have. It is up to you to decide what you want to do next. After watching this video, go do some research, because we already done ours, and that is why we're so excited to share the next video with you. So without further ado, to the video. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started with our today's topic, which is that why you need 1 billion Zada coins. If you guys remember, Zada is a project which I have already covered. But just to remind you about what Zada actually is and how it works, let me give you a very brief introduction. Zada births a completely new ecosystem, allowing investors to establish an entire portfolio of new currencies and tokens from a single purchase. Being the first of its type, a hybrid portfolio builder rewards its holders in a variety of ways by simplifying the investment process and establishing a strong and diverse portfolio. In short, Zada makes investing simple. Researching projects, developers, and tokenomics is a time-consuming activity that has no guarantees with your cryptocurrency investment. And here's where Zada comes in. As Zada resolves these difficulties in the most efficient way possible by providing a token and ecosystem that does this automatically on your behalf, Zada is able to take reflections to new heights with the hybrid portfolio builder, delivering a creative method to how we reward our holders. With the last man standing wallet, HPB ensures that every Zada bearer receives an improved 10% Cardano reflection, and by holding Zada for 7 days, HPB's true potential is fulfilled. The chain function is the pinnacle of the ecosystem. Aren't all these interesting and unique features? Isn't it amazing you? Let us know below if there is still any confusion about the project in your mind. Now let's move forward with what they have achieved until now. Starting with the completion of an audit by the very famous blockchain firm Certic, as of now, Zada Certic audit is 100% complete, and they have successfully onboarded with Certic. Also, they have enabled the 24/7 Skynet function, which monitors the security and integrity of smart contract 24 hours, 7 days a week. Zada doesn't seem stoppable now. Along with this recently, Zada took over Las Vegas by their proposed budget at their launch. If you had followed Zada, you must have known that they had the budget of $300,000 to introduce their project to the world, and they did by Las Vegas takeover. There were over 50 taxis and billboards and tons of guerrilla street marketing, which has helped the message of Zada to reach the people. This is where a team shows how much potential it has, and a project is followed by how quick they deliver what they have stated in their roadmap, and this is the strategy Zada is following. By not lying and delivering what was promised to the community, unlike Ponzi projects. In addition, the network has already distributed $2.5 million in incentives to its holders. Furthermore, since its inception, Zada has distributed over 900,000 ADA worth over $1.5 million to its holders through its reflection mechanism, with much more to come. According to advisors from all over the world, Zada has an ecosystem that will surely outperform most coins in the space. Zada is the only registered token on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, that can offer 4 coins for the price of 1. And, as you may have seen in my previous video, every transaction on Zada incurs a 10% tax, which is converted into Cardano and then handed back to its holders. And the biggest news among all that Zada has achieved is their partnership with CrowdCreate marketing agency. Let me let you know why this news is huge and bullish for the coin, because CrowdCreate has been around since 2014 and is a pioneer in the development of communities centered on cryptocurrency initiatives. It is one of the best blockchain marketing agencies for 2019. The company's specialty is in bringing together investors, influencers, and other people interested in crowdfunding and cryptocurrencies. Because of aspects like the speed, with which momentum must be built and the proclivity of crypto projects to attract trolls, marketing blockchain projects necessitates a particular skill set when compared to marketing conventional products and services. CrowdCreate has already worked with world-class firms to advertise blockchain projects in order to enhance user acquisition, sales, and investor funding. They are also experts in the development of blockchain-specific online communities, notably on Telegram. The umbrella term engagement marketing is used by the company to reflect the precise tactics it employs to assist clients in gaining leads, increasing online reviews, building a strong online fan and customer base, and managing their social media presence, while establishing a network of over 250,000 consumers and brand evangelists. The company has assisted more than 45 clients with project engagement with potential users and investors. In other words, CrowdCreate connects blockchain projects with a user base that is eager to learn about what blockchain enterprises have to offer. And when it comes to who their clientele are, let me just offer you 3 huge names that will automatically explain why this news should be seen as a factor in Zada's future expansion. And the big names are none else than Solana, Sandbox, and Axie Infinity. Aren't these names enough to excite you? I think they should be. What do you think about this partnership now? Let us know below in the comment box. And now, for your explanation as to why you require 1 billion Zada coins. As you are aware, with this new concept, Zada holds cash in a secure wallet and distributes funds evenly to all holders who remain in the LMS for that week. The jackpot continues to rise throughout the week, and based solely on week number 1, 65K, and week number 2's 77K, it appeared that the growth would only continue in the same direction. So, with the eligibility conditions of each holder holding 1 billion Zada, the focus remains on the project's expansion. Holders are also restricted from selling or transferring any of their tokens within 7 days, allowing Zada to retain a fairly firm floor while attracting long-term investors. And with a lot of things coming in 2022 for Zada, the future is certainly very bright. And if this has made your mind to invest in Zada, let me tell you how and where to buy Zada. So, first and foremost, we must convert our BTC to Zada, because Zada is on Pancakeswap. I will walk you through the process of converting your BTC on the site. Because Zada is a BEP20 token that runs on the Binance Smart Chain, the easiest way to purchase it is to send your BTC to Binance. Change it to BNB, then send it to your wallet via Binance Smart Chain and exchange it for Zada via Pancakeswap. Finally, let's talk about Zada's future predictions. Because Zada is made up of highly qualified developers, it ensures security, stability, and efficiency. Investors have a plethora of options because they can access collectible works of art through the NFT marketplace. This project's future can be seen in its culture of stability, transparency, and expansion, which will allow Zada to fit all of the voids exploited in the crypto space. And as I said in the previous Zada's video, even this video is sponsored. Still, I believe Zada has the potential to hit $1 anytime soon and can do wonders. In the end, I would like to say that whoever missed the chances to become crypto millionaires in the previous 100Xs and other projects, don't miss this one if you don't want to regret it later, but obviously after doing your own research. So that concludes today's video, and I hope this information was helpful to you. Further, do let us know below about your views related to Zada. And I personally don't think anyone who believes in Cardano would want to miss the opportunity to have them by just holding Zada and doing nothing. So guys, we have come to today's end episode. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big like and feel free to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, let us know in the comments down below what video you would like to see next, and we will try to do our best in order to do so. We will see you all on our next videos, and until then, thank you so much for watching.